So on today's video, I'm actually going to be reviewing the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Skin Therapy Oil with Vitamin E. If you're someone who is going through stretch marks and you're looking for something that would help you, stick around and make sure you watch this video till the end. And for all my returning subscribers, hey loves, I love you. And if you're joining us for the first time, please make sure you subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. All right. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyechi. I'm a skincare enthusiast and a public health lover. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. And here on my channel, I review skincare products, and then as time goes on, I'm going to be dropping videos on personal development. So consider subscribing down below if you're interested on any of these contents. All right. So first of all, we're going to talk about the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Skin Therapy Oil, the ingredients. It contains cocoa butter, and then at the same time, flower oil. It contains dimethicone, it contains cetosomate E, canola oil, and rosehip oil. Palmer's Skin Therapy Cocoa Butter Oil with Vitamin E. Stretch marks is something it tackles with very well and super fast. Like, for those of us that are that are on the plus size, place, we have the thick thighs, and girl, you understand what I'm talking about. We struggle with stretch marks, and the Palmer's Skin Therapy Oil has been something that I have worked with along my journey. Yes, and I have found it super effective, and I feel like, okay, I know a lot of my subscribers may be going through this, and somebody out there needs to hear this information. The Palmer's Skin Therapy Cocoa Butter Oil with Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a go-to, and it's something I highly recommend. I'm not scared about recommending this brand because it's amazing, super amazing. Believe me when I say so, okay? All right. So before I talk about the ingredients, I'm going to tell you that if you're going through stretch marks, sweetheart, cry no more, because I have come to your rescue today. I'm going to tell you the amazing, miraculous formula, skin therapy formula by Palmer's Skin Success Therapy Oil with Vitamin E, the one that is in a spray bottle. I'm going to leave the picture. That is the go-to, and that is one of the best oils. Alright, so I highly recommend this oil if you're going through stretch marks. Maybe you just had a child or you're pregnant, you can use this oil. Let's say you have stretch marks on your back, your arm, anywhere, you can use this oil. It really does that. Okay, so the Palmer's Skin Therapy oil with Vitamin E targets scars, targets stretch marks, targets damaged skin, and also targets aging skin. And then it contains pure argan oil, no mineral oil, which is why I love this product. For people like us that always break out, I have a combination skin, like my T-zone is super oily. They have the face oil, that's the one in a bottle, but today's video I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about the the one in a spray-like bottle. That one you can use all over your body. But if you still want to try it on your face, not a problem, but I suggest you use that in the night, not when you're going out under the sun. But you really have amazing results regardless of where you use it. But if you want strictly on the face, Palmer's Skin Success brand, they have the oil for the face. But if you have stretch marks anywhere in your body, or you have scars, or you have a damaged dry skin, you can use the Palmer's Skin Therapy Cocoa Butter Oil. I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly with this microphone. All right, because I'm close to my window, and outside there are many cars, and a whole lot going on. But I really want to make this video because I know it's going to help somebody out there going through stretch marks, going through a lot that needs to be handled. Okay, so one thing with this product is that it doesn't have mineral oil, which is what bio oil has. On my next video, I'm going to be talking about bio oil, why I love it, and at the same time why I do not want to. I can't suggest bio oil to anybody that I care about. Reasons best known to me. Not saying it may not work for you. You know, the last review I made on the Jara face cream, people came after me, oh, that I discouraged them, or that I did not discourage anybody. I shared my experience. I told I told the story. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to link it up there. I told the story of how it works, and some of the ingredients I don't really phantom, and that is okay. It's a free world. You're here to voice your opinions and talk about your experience, so you can also help somebody. A lot of people have used this product, and I've used the jar and they had problems. Some people used it and still liked it. So it's a free world. So please don't come and say, oh, I discouraged you or not. I am here to tell you my experience and what works as well as what doesn't work. So sweetheart, if you're interested on the truth, because I try as much as possible to be honest. In fact, I am honest. Join the family and give your baby girl a thumbs up. Okay, so back to what we're talking about, the Palmer Skin Therapy Oil. All right, so let's dive right into all the ingredients that I love that it contains. Now, this product has sunflower oil. Again, sunflower oil is one of the moisturizing essential oils that are not bad for your skin. Very good. I highly recommend. It has dimethicone. If you've not watched my video, I'm going to leave the link up here. I talked about ingredients you should look out for if you want to fix your skin barrier. Dimethicone is one of the ingredients you should consider if you want to fix your skin barrier. And then it has canola oil, rosehip oil, and canola oil helps in targeting dark marks and spots, while dimethicone helps in rebuilding the skin barrier, and vitamin E improves the appearance of stretch marks and imperfection. So why should you use this product? If you want to reduce the appearance of stretch marks and damaged skin, fine lines and wrinkles, this product is what I would recommend you go to, because the Palmer's brand of Palmer Skin Success, they've been here for a long time, and they are gurus when it comes to, you know, I think they really love or care about the black skin people, the Africans, you know, they care about us, like, but it works really well for our skin type. Like for those of us that are African, this product is really, really nice because it's as if they had black skin people in mind. So yeah, it works well for everybody, but it's one of the oils I've seen that really, really helps the black community in general. Disclaimer, not saying it's not going to work for you if you're a light-skinned person, but I'm trying to say that cocoa butter is like, it feels like an African heritage. The Palmer Skin Success brand feels like it's an African heritage sort of, and it's amazing. So sweetheart, if you want to clear dark spots, even out your skin tone, if you have a dry and damaged skin, if you have dark scars, stretch marks, please go for the Palmer Skin Therapy Oil with vitamin E. I'm still going to leave the picture. It is the way to go, and it's amazing. I'm not going to take that back. It is highly amazing, and I recommend that for you guys. All right, so in my conclusion, all right guys, so finally, make sure you use this product twice a day, on the areas where you want to improve your stretch marks. Make sure you use it religiously. Please use it religiously. You cannot use something today and expect it to work today. I have a subscriber of mine once asked me for a product that would help her clear pimples, and I suggested Oriflame, and she used it, and she just used it like today, and she's telling me the following day that she's not seeing results. And I'm like, girl, how long have you used this product? And she's like, I just used it yesterday. Please, when you're on any skincare product, especially if you want to treat something, you have to use it religiously. It's like going to the hospital to see a doctor. Does he prescribe treatments and you just take your tablets today and it's gone? Some of the tablets you take for 3 days, some of the tablets you take for 1 month, 3 weeks, 2 weeks. So yeah, that is how it is with skincare. So if you're on this product and you want to clear out, you want to work on your damaged skin because it is super hydrating and moisturizing, and at the same time you want to work on stretch marks and fade your scars, you have to use this product religiously. You do not have to use and stop and then come back and tell me it did not work. Sweetheart, that is totally up to you. I'm not going to say any other thing about that. But trust me, the Palmer Skin Therapy Oil with vitamin E really works. Okay, so finally, sweetheart, but don't forget to subscribe down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And yes, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Let me know what your experiences were with the Palmer Skin Therapy Oil with vitamin E. Okay? And yes, it's an amazing product that has cocoa butter, which is one of the signature ingredients in Palmer's, and it's going to help you, believe me when I say so. And if you have tried it, comment and tell me. If you want to try it, comment and tell me. And at the same time, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you always get notified anytime I upload a new video. I love you and thank you for being with me today. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.